Hi, Natalie. Is it raining? Is it cold? No. Oh yeah, you're in a dry spot. I cannot believe that thing has gotten as big as it has. Where's she? Where's Claire? It's a cold rain. It's been very, very hot. Where'd Claire go? Where did Claire go? Where'd Fiona go? Yeah, good question. There she is. There she is. Ah, she says, I love this. Oh, it's starting to pour. It's starting to pour. Should we go inside? No. Hello. Hello. All right. All right, Claire, we're gonna go inside here. It's really starting to rain. Even Fiona says, all right, I've had enough. Hi, Fiona.
Claire, don't pick her up, please.
Whoa. Good jump, Claire. Oh, don't go to the road. Hey, Claire, Claire, Claire. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I said, that looks like fun. I want to do that. I want to do that.